It's not Wrexham Lager, it's Wrexham Lager. And that's going to be a name that's very easy to remember in just a few minutes. And that's up next in our beer culture moment. Wrexham Lager, actually spelled W-R-E-X-H-A-M, is a lager which should be easy to remember in just a few minutes. The Wrexham Lager Beer Company Limited was founded in 1881. The city of Wrexham had good quality water, and so that was evidenced by all the breweries that were in Wrexham. There were about 19 operating at the same time. Wrexham Lager was the city's first large brewery, and it was the first one to brew lager in 1882. However, the brewers had a hard time maintaining the temperature of the brew, getting it cool enough, and so it didn't last long and it had off flavors, and so after 4 years they basically closed. And then Robert Greaser bought them the same year that they shut down, went into bankruptcy, and he introduced refrigeration, and so all of a sudden, hey, they were doing real well with their beer. But at the same time, people started to drink ales, and ales were overtaking lagers in popularity, so he decided he was going to ship all of his beer out, not keep it in the city of Wrexham, but ship it out. And he actually signed up with the Cunard line and the White Star line to supply beer to their cruise ships. History's sometimes tragic and ironic, because Wrexham Lager ended up being served on the Titanic. And now you can see how the name Wrexham is going to be hard to forget. It's ironic and easy to remember. Now, as far as the brewery goes, it went out of business in 2002, but was bought in 2010 by two local businessmen who revived the brand. Believe it or not, they are planning to stock the Titanic 2 if and when that ship ever sails with the Wrexham Lager. Despite its name, if it's ever available, I will certainly buy it out of morbid curiosity. This has been a Matty Boy presentation. Say bye-bye, Matty.